Businesses and organizations are always looking for ways to reduce accidents and make the workplace safer. With the Ready First Aid app, your staff and organization members will have their own emergency assistant right on their phone to guide them step by step through first aid and emergency procedures.
Hi, I am your emergency assistant. What is wrong with the patient?
Using either the voice or touch prompts, the Ready First Aid app enables people to start first aid on over 130 procedures before the 911 emergency services arrive. Our procedures and content meet the guidelines established by Health Canada, Heart and Stroke Foundation, and the new national CSA First Aid standards. The emergency assistant's voice is programmed to only read our approved content and cannot randomly search the web, so users can trust the information they are being given. Businesses and organizations can purchase the app for their staff or members. The subscription pricing is accessible for everyone at only $18 per user annually, which includes the refresher of the month skill review sessions. Reduce accidents, injury severity, and claims experience, create safer workplaces, and boost employee confidence. Give your people the resources they need so they can respond with confidence.